Youth students in Akordet expressed readiness to back up the national development drive. The youth, they said they will voluntarily engage in afforestation activities and assisting families of martyrs in their spare time, especially during the summer. Ismail Muhammad Ibrahim and Bayan Asgadom say that they treasure the nation's cultural values and would diligently tackle the anti-Eritrea campaigns being resorted on the part of enemy quarters. Yonatan Gabrezgi and Nafa Andetzion, on their part, expressed satisfaction with various training courses being provided to them. Mr. Zersanay Tesfai, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the Gashbarka region, called on pertinent government bodies and stakeholders to play due role in shaping the youth. He further explained that more endeavors would be exerted by the union to enhance the capacity of the youth in the region.